Good morning. Let me open these blinds so we can have a little bit of sunlight in here. What little tiny bit of sunlight there may be. We're in a severe sunlight drought. And it's cloudy again. More rain. And this weekend we're supposed to have more rain. So no yard sale for me. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot to take the trash cans out. Jacob, did you take the trash cans out? Go check real quick, real fast. Hurry. I hope it hasn't come yet. I don't know. Go check. Oh, I hope we didn't miss trash day again. Here lately we've been really bad about missing trash day. Let's see. Unless Dad did it, which I don't think he did. Nope. Is anybody's trash can still full?
No. The trash can is open. They're all circle.
Oh man, I can't believe it. It's Mommy, honey. It's Mommy. It's Mommy. It's not. No, it's not Nana. It's just Mommy. Sorry for the letdown.
She's looking around like.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's just Mommy. Oh, what a bummer. It's just Mom. What a bummer. So I got up this morning early because I've been up since 7. Maybe a little before then. My dad called. I was on the phone with him pretty much all evening last night until like midnight. My mom is sick. She's still sick. She's in the hospital right now. They admitted her last night. She went to the emergency room and they were thinking they were potentially going to send her home, but her fever was still really high. Her stomach, she's just having lots of problems with her stomach, and so I don't know if you guys follow, you know, depending on how regularly you watch my vlog, you know that she was sick a couple weeks ago. Well, this is still continuing from that, so they're not real sure what's going on with her. I got up and then I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make some banana pumpkin bread. So I got all of my ingredients out. And I realized that I did not have all the ingredients. I'm missing baking soda, although I know that you can sometimes substitute like baking powder, but just like 3 times the amount for baking soda. I'm a little leery to do that, but here's my stuff. So I left the butter out because I'm still contemplating whether or not I'm going to. I didn't have real butter, I have margarine. Hopefully that works okay if I still decide to do it. But I have the baking powder. I may just try it with a little extra baking powder and then omitting the salt. But I don't know. I have all of these bananas that are going bad, and usually I'll freeze them for smoothies, but I really wanted to make some. Ooh, there's ants up here. I really wanted to make some banana bread. Oh my gosh, our exterminator's coming today. Praise God. I got up and the ants were taking over again. Hey, Maddie.
Hey. It is strawberries.
You're eating strawberries? Or blueberries?
No, it is strawberries.
Maddie's snacking on some blueberries, and I am making some cream of wheat. I don't know if she's ever had cream of wheat, so I thought maybe I would make some and throw some of those blueberries in there and see how she likes that. Got ready for the day. Jacob is through for the most part with his schooling. He got up and got done today. Boy, he is on it. And so we need to make some food. I'm just not feeling like I want a sandwich or anything like that today. I feel like I want like cream of wheat, you know, or oatmeal or something like that.
Mama.
What? So I figured I would make some and see if she would eat it. Say excuse me. Say excuse me. It's a super duper cloudy day again. Daddy's off to work. and Mason still has his schooling to do, and I have to record a video today. So all of that has to happen. Hopefully I can get it all done. I do want to get the video done before it gets dark because I need that sunlight, but we don't have much sunlight, so I'm afraid the quality of the video is probably, since I don't have lighting, probably going to be like poor lighting, but hopefully not.
Disgusting.
It's disgusting?
Disgusting.
Where's it at?
Can't fall away.
And went flying away?
Yeah. Only on there.
Up there?
Yeah.
I don't see one. I don't see it.
What? Over there.
I don't see it.
Over there.
Up there?
Over there.
I don't see it. Do you guys eat cream of wheat? This is something that we grew up eating, but I found that not a lot of people know what cream of wheat is, and not a lot of people eat it. But I love it. We always sweeten it up a little bit with like butter and a little bit of sugar. You have to be careful because this stuff will cook right out of the bowl. Oh, and there you go. Perfect consistency. You want to take them all off, don't you? Here. Maddie. Let me scoot it. Do you want me to scoot it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Calm down, my love. Boy, calm down. She gets so frustrated. She just cannot handle it. Goodness sakes. Mason. Mason just threw my debit card in between. Hang on a second. In between the refrigerator and the cabinet.
Hang on. I know.
Oh my goodness. So I just got through filming the video for our Fall Essentials collaboration. And do you guys have any idea how difficult it is to film something when your kids like are yelling and screaming in the background? It's like ridiculous, but I got through it. Okay, I have an apple crisp in my crock pot. Let me take a little peek for you. Here you go, apple crisp cooking away in there.
Mom.
Huh?
Mama, please. I got your card.
I also, oh, you got my debit card? Okay, put it way back. I also have some potato soup cooking away in there. And, what else? Oh, I wanted to show you guys that. I was going to show you how to make it, but my battery died on my camera, so I couldn't do that. And I'm getting ready to sit down with Maddie and try and get her to take a little nap.
Hey, Mom.
And
you better watch out, Mom, because there might be ants over there.
that will give me some time to edit. Yeah, there it is. That'll give me some time to edit and everything before the ant guy gets over here. And yeah. And I have someone coming over to look at the garage door because the garage door is broken. So there is a lot going on. Ooh. Yeah, there's a lot going on. You're hungry? All right, hang on a minute. Let's find a snack. I'm just sitting here editing some video, and this little guy is in such a lovey mood today. He keeps coming up on my lap and snuggling. Are you snuggling? I've got it nice and dark in here. Maddie's taking a nap on the couch over there. There she is. And I'm just sitting over here on this couch, and oh, she's waking up. All right, so the potato soup is almost done. I thought I would show you guys. Daddy just ran to the store to get some bacon. We're gonna do like a loaded potato soup for dinner. So we're gonna have bacon and chives and shredded cheese, and we're gonna just have that with crackers.
Can we sit on the table again?
And then we'll have the apple crisp. The apple crisp is kind of like apple mush. It's not crispy. I wanted it to be crispy, but it's not crispy. It looks kind of mushy. So there it is. There's the apple crisp. Although it's still yummy. smells heavenly.
Mom,
But I do like apple crisp when it is crispy, you know, and it has that crunch.
and like when it's like fall time and stuff.
I could potentially get that kind of crunch if I maybe broiled. I doubt it would even get crunchy at the end. Max, get off my table.
Mom,
But Dad's gonna pick up some vanilla ice cream. Please get down. Get down
the turtle.
to eat with it. Okay. We're getting ready to let Mr. Turtle go.
Why?
Because he needs to survive out in the wild.
How?
That's not a good life for a turtle.
How?
Because he belongs out in the...
Still, God takes care of animals.
He does take care of animals, but they need to be in their habitat. In their habitat.
Mom.
I am loving these pillows. Oh my heavens. It has just been so cozy. Oh, watch out, buddy. Sitting here working on my computer. I pulled this end table all the way up. Or not end table, but coffee table. And it's just been so nice to have this big pillow behind my back. I'm so happy I found that at Goodwill. I have really been, yeah, that was a great find. I've really been cutting back on my Goodwill shopping, guys. I have not been, like, going every single day like I was there for a while just because I'm trying to purge completely, get this house sort of emptied out a little bit. So,
Wait, the more you get stuff, the more it's going to get full and we're never going to get it.
I know. Mason couldn't wait till Daddy got home, so I made him a nice bowl of potato soup and some shredded cheese. Guys, the potato soup is amazing. Mason, make sure you stir it because it's a little hot. Okay?
Get the remote.
So I'm letting him eat in the living room since it's just him right now, and he's watching some cartoons tonight. Mommy and Mason didn't do school today.
Yay!
Bad mommy. Bad. But it's kindergarten, so we can catch up. It's not like a huge deal. It was just one of the it was one of those days, and Jacob got all of his work done. So that's good. Okay, I got something in my throat. Ooh. So that's good, but you know, it was just one of those days, and you know, we're probably going to do some reading tonight, so we'll just count that as school. But no big deal. We'll get the reading lesson in, and Matt will probably double up maybe tomorrow and get lots done. That's the goal anyway. So his work only takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours, so we could definitely double up tomorrow and do a little bit more to get him caught up or made up from today, which is fine, so I'm not stressing over it. Oh, Daddy's here. I see Maddie. I'm coming.
I had some pants buried clean. I got two.
Oh, okay.
Make sure I forgot that.
Did you go with Daddy?
I got dumpy.
You went shopping?
Tell me what you got. Tell Mom what you got.
I got dumpy.
What? Huh?
I got dumpy.
Oh, a jelly bean. Oh my goodness. Before dinner?
Yeah.
Let's
there's
go over
some-
to check out in peace.
Oh. Here is the loaded potato soup. Yummy. With some cornbread. So yummy. Right, Mason?
No.
You don't think it's yummy? Jacob, yummy? Mm-hmm.
For the bread?
Daddy, yummy?
I think it's very good.
Maddie, is it
Very
yummy?
Good?
You like it? I guess that's a yes.
Mom. No.
Yay!